How to make travel in Ireland affordable and stress-free. Imagine exploring the breathtaking cliffs of Moher, sipping Guinness in a cozy Irish pub, or wandering ancient castles, all without breaking the bank or losing your cool. Sounds impossible? Think again. Today I'm giving you the ultimate blueprint to travel Ireland affordably and stress-free. Buckle up. Your dream Irish adventure starts now. Plan smart to save big. Step 1. Master the art of planning. Start with flights. Flying into Shannon instead of Dublin can save you hundreds and give you easier access to Ireland's iconic West Coast. Use tools like Google Flights or Hopper to track fare drops. Bonus tip: travel in the shoulder season, April to May or September to October. Fewer crowds, lower costs, and the same jaw-dropping scenery. Unless, of course, you love paying double for flights just to share the cliffs with 500 selfie sticks. Your call. Once you're on the ground, skip the overpriced tours. Ireland's public transport, like buses and trains, can take you nearly anywhere for a fraction of the cost. Pair that with a travel pass like the Leap card in major cities, and you're golden. But let's be honest, saving on transportation is just the start. What about where you sleep? Stay tuned, because my next tip will blow your mind and your budget expectations. Affordable accommodations with local charm. Now let's talk about where you'll rest after those long days of adventure. Forget expensive hotels. Ireland is famous for its charming, budget-friendly bed and breakfasts. Not only are they affordable, but many are family-run, so you'll get insider tips straight from locals. Plus, who doesn't want a home-cooked Irish breakfast waiting for them in the morning? If you're up for a bit more adventure, hostels in Ireland are next level. Think modern, clean, and loaded with backpacker vibes. And here's a pro hack. Check out work exchange programs like WWOOF or Workaway, where you can trade a few hours of work for free accommodation. Imagine feeding sheep on a farm or helping out at a cozy inn. How's that for an unforgettable story? Because nothing screams fearless adventure quite like saying, "Yeah, I milked a cow in Ireland to save money on a hotel." Still, saving money on sleeping isn't enough. You've got to eat, right? Keep watching for the secret to dining like a king without spending like one. Feast without emptying your wallet. When it comes to food, you don't need to shell out at Michelin-starred restaurants.
To taste the best of Ireland, hit the local pubs instead. Not only will you find delicious, hearty meals like shepherd's pie and fish and chips, but you'll also soak in the unbeatable Irish pub culture. For quick bites, keep an eye out for farmers markets. They're a treasure trove of fresh, affordable eats, and you can chat with locals who know the best spots to explore. And here's a little-known secret: lunch deals. Many restaurants offer discounted menus during lunchtime, so you can enjoy great food for a fraction of the price. And remember, Guinness is technically a meal. Kidding. Sort of. Food sorted. Now let's tackle the big one. How to see all of Ireland's jaw-dropping beauty without spending a fortune. Explore for free or almost free. Good news. Many of Ireland's best experiences cost little to nothing. The Wild Atlantic Way? Completely free to drive. Hiking in the Wicklow Mountains? No admission required. Even the cliffs of Moher have free viewpoints if you know where to go. And don't overlook the free walking tours in cities like Dublin or Galway. Knowledgeable guides, amazing stories, and all they ask for is a small tip. It's a win-win. Plus, it's way more fun to learn history from a lively Irish guide than from a boring plaque. But what if I told you there's a way to experience Ireland like a VIP without paying VIP prices? Make the locals your best resource. Here's the secret sauce to stress-free travel in Ireland. Get to know the locals. Irish people are some of the friendliest in the world, and they love sharing their favorite spots. Skip the tourist traps and ask for recommendations. You'll uncover hidden gems like secluded beaches, off-the-beaten-path pubs, and hikes with zero crowds. Another tip? Tap into social media. Facebook groups or Reddit threads for Ireland travelers are full of people sharing tips and sometimes even offering carpooling or travel buddies. Just maybe skip asking the guy in the pub who's had 3 pints of Guinness where the nearest cliff is. Safety first. You've got the tips, but how do you keep stress to an absolute minimum while soaking it all in? Let's wrap this up with the golden rule of hassle-free travel. Embrace flexibility and live the moment. Finally, the key to truly enjoying Ireland is to stay flexible. Weather changes fast. One minute it's sunny, the next it's pouring. But that's all part of the charm. Bring a good rain jacket, go with the flow, and embrace spontaneity. Did your bus get delayed? Use the extra time to chat with locals. Found a picturesque spot while driving? Pull over and take it in. Remember, the magic of Ireland isn't just in the places. It's in the unexpected moments that make your journey unforgettable. And hey, you can always use the rain as an excuse to spend more time in a pub. You're welcome. Your Irish adventure awaits. So there you have it, your roadmap to exploring Ireland affordably and stress-free. The landscapes will amaze you, the people will inspire you, and the memories will last a lifetime. Don't just dream about it. Start planning now, because Ireland's calling and it's waiting for you. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more travel tips, and share this with a friend who needs an epic adventure.